In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete the Wi-Fi network profile on your Windows computer. This is your, hopefully be a fairly shaped for tutorial, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to go ahead and start by opening up the star menu. Just left one star button one time. Select the setting gear icon. On the left side, where you hover over, it says settings. Go ahead and left click on there. Select the network and internet title. Select where it says Wi-Fi on the left side. Again, it would say Wi-Fi for you. I only have an internet connection, but if you get Wi-Fi, you go ahead and select it, and then there'll be a list of Wi-Fi connections. Underneath you, just go ahead and select whatever Wi-Fi connection you want to remove, and then there would be a forget button right underneath of that. So that would remove it from your Wi-Fi narrow profile. So again, you would select Wi-Fi from this list, and then there would be a panel on the right side that would say Wi-Fi, and then a bunch of Wi-Fi profiles underneath. Just go ahead and select whichever one you want to hide or remove, and just would select it, and then select the forget button. And that would be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do that, I was able to help you out.